Did you come to my program before? No, that's why. Just it has started. You see, you have to get your realization first of all, alright? You come here. We'll have to work it out. First of all, on your realization has not worked out, that's why. It's just started. Let it work out. If the realization works out, then only you can feel it properly. That's why. Right side not at all work. I was wondering are you feeling? Good. Left hand, what are you feeling? Cool breeze. In the left hand and not on the right. Alright. So what you do is to take left to the right. No, with the right hand. Gradually when you will practice, you will know. Better now? Good? Good. He's alright. Are you alright? How are you feeling? Yes?
Left hand. She's asking, do you get heat on the left side or the left hand?
You can get it on the left hand or left side anywhere. Where are you getting?
No, you get heat on either side. She says she's getting it in the right hand.
Yes,
That's
you can get it on both the sides. Are you getting on right? Then you put your left to the right. No. Left hand towards me and right hand like this.
Cheryl, can you go and cross?
No, like this. Just don't raise it and bring it down like this. Don't go back.
Down.
Better.
And again and down. And again and down. Again and down. Now try.
This what? Yes, correct.
Better?
On the right hand?
Right.
Left
You've
to the
done
right.
it. It's
Left
as
to the
simple
right.
as that.
No. Left. Left to the right.
Is there anyone that still doesn't understand?
I feel a bit butt pains now.
Good,
What,
good.
cool?
Both the hands cool?
No, there's sort of tingling.
In which hand?
Right to left.
And left.
The left hand to mother. And you go from
No,
right.
look at me. Left hand to me, like this. And now right hand you pick it up from here. And push it down.
Go there. Keep doing it until it disappears.
She is alright. You're alright. You're alright. What about you? Feeling cool breeze in both the hands?
Just keep your attention steady.
My hands are more balanced. They're more balanced now.
No, balance. Yes, you start feeling the balance.
Any other
That's the
problems?
best way.